Hello, I'm Pat McCutcheon with House-Hasson Hardware, and today we're here to introduce the Workshop Transformation Dealer Market that will be held January 22nd, 23rd, 24th of 2026 at the Opryland Resort and Convention Center in Nashville, Tennessee. Our dealers will be able to visit with our vendors, with our new vendors. They'll be able to see new items and new merchandisers that will be offered throughout the vendor community. Also available that weekend, we will have our bonus buy breakfast on Friday with our merchandisers, our bonus buy breakfast on Saturday with our bonus buy items, and also many deals that they'll be able to take back to their stores and to gain margin and have huge success for 2026 as we open up the spring. Also available through the weekend, you'll be able to sit down with our marketing and advertising experts. Also at the same time, you can visit with our store set programs, and you can visit with all our POS vendors that are currently communicating with House-Hasson Hardware. We look forward to seeing you January 22nd, 23rd, 24th at Opryland Hotel in Nashville, Tennessee.